So we're going to do an unboxing video today on a new product that I just got as a demo from Phoenix Contact. I got to open that up. Phoenix Contact screwdriver. Best box opener there is. Alright, here we go. So one of the things that Phoenix does really well, they make the best PLC relay, right? So you get a little PLC relay like that. They have solid state versions of those as well, but this one, normal contact. In this demo, they send you 8 of the relays. So we got a stack of 8 of those guys. And then also, they have a brand new part that goes on top of them. It's kind of like a bus coupler, smart bus coupler. And what the new thing is they added the Ethernet port to it. All right, and so that Ethernet port not only has Modbus, which is the standard industrial network out there, but it has Profinet as well as Ethernet IP. So the advantage of using that is you get to use Phoenix Contact's world-class relays, PLC relays, married into a lower cost bus coupler that goes and connects right onto the top of these. And you get a couple inputs and a couple, you get your 8 output control on it. And then you can trigger all of your inputs via Ethernet. So nice little tool. I'll be putting these together and on a little demo rail, and we'll put a power supply to it and show you how to program it a little later. But yeah, cool unboxing.